Welcome to the GMT.
My people, I greet to now and I welcome una once again to this our news channel. Make una do it always follow us, like, share and subscribe. On today's news, the chairman of Egor local government council wey dey for Edo State don come outside to talk say e no dey happy with wetin dey go on for the local government. She say for inside last year, towards the ending of last year, she set up some committee wey go dey waka this dirty matter. Anybody wey dey just say who dirty for inside drainage, they go carry the person come their mobile court. Say e never hear anything about say they bring one person come. E never hear anything say they write letter say some people come dey beg say wey dem no vex. Say e never hear any complaint from anybody wey dey bring come. Say now e don come to our notice say people don dey talk say dem dey carry money for their hand. Meanwhile, the reason why they set up that committee not be to collect money for their hand. My people, I wan play una the video make una hear the story wella from the horses mouth.
Task force was set up in November, to help control the way people are putting waste in different areas in the local government, even in all our drainages. But it's unfortunate that the task force has taken a different dimension. That dimension is something that the council is not comfortable with. The council is not comfortable with that dimension. In this task force, I am the chairman of the task force. By the day we inaugurated them, I told them that I am the chairman of the task force. Everything that happens in the local government will be reported back to me. I put somebody as a coordinator. We had a secretary and we had an operational personnel in this task force. This task force, there was 20 persons that was inaugurated for this task force. And I made it very clear that anything this task force is going to do, they must work with the environmental department. If they are going out to give out abatement notices, they must work with the environmental department. And they must work with the waste managers. Because the day they were inaugurated, the waste manager was seated, was being represented by one Mr. Aruna. Then the environmental HOD was there, and the people working in the environment when this task force was inaugurated. And the things I told them, in no condition will you go out to demand money from people. What we want them to do is to desist from putting waste in areas where they're not supposed to put their waste. And their waste should be bad. And they should use an accredited waste manager that will be carrying their waste. The task force duty was to go out to fish out the people who have been putting waste in our drainages, putting waste in the wrong areas, so that they will be invited to the council. If possible, they will be arrested. We set up a mobile court. 2 mobile courts precisely in the local government. From November till today, no mobile court has been formed. Name of one Mr. Idahosa, Samuel Idahosa, has been using the task force, asking them to be remitting money to him every day. Nothing was remitted to the council because the council never asked for remittance from anybody. All the council wanted is for them to bring in defaulters that they will be taking to mobile court. Now, at the time, you have about 3 or 4 defaulters being exposed. Other people will deviate from doing the same thing. Until today, the 30th of January, nobody has been arrested or has been invited to the council. I am not aware of it. But we are hearing that people are collecting money. I got a message from Ebayeke community how they collected 50,000 per shot.
Wetin I think concerning this matter, I don hear wetin this Chemo talk. How una reason na? Make una drop una comment for comment section. Make una not forget to like and share this video. Until we meet again for another news, make una do well to stay safe. Una do.
DJ